What's up my Destinarian friends, it's Ryjel Destiny here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect a Blue Yeti microphone to your iPhone. This is the iPhone 8, and as far as I'm concerned, this works with every single iPhone. All it requires is one tool, and that is the Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. This one is from Apple, and I would recommend this one because, I mean, it is probably the most expensive one, but at the same time it will last the longest and has the best quality. I bought this from Amazon and it was $40. There are other places you can buy it, but I think in stores it's a lot more expensive, like $70 or so. It's crazy, but I recommend buying it on Amazon. And I have left a link to this product in the description below to Amazon, and you can go and purchase it yourself. And here it is. As you can see right there, it has a USB port and a Lightning port. So you can actually charge your iPhone while you are connecting to any kind of USB device. And then at the top, it has the Lightning connection. I have my microphone here, and I have the cable connected with the headphones on the bottom, and the volume settings and all the recording is all set up and ready to go. Now it just needs to be connected to a recording device. So when you're about to record, I would recommend taking your iPhone charger and connecting this to the splitter, and it will help give the phone and the microphone extra power, but at the same time charges your iPhone. It's just so much better because the microphone by itself will drain your battery. Take your charger and connect it to the splitter. Just like that. Same concept with the USB connection to the Blue Yeti. Right there. And we are set. Go ahead and plug in your charger into a power source. For in this case, the wall. It's connected in, and as you can see, my charger cable that I bought has lit up. Mine actually has a light on it, which is pretty cool. So we have power. The Blue Yeti microphone will get power too as soon as I connect it into the iPhone. Before we do that, I'm just gonna put on my earphones. All right, guys, this is where the magic happens. Alright guys, this is Ryjel Destiny here, recording a video for you with my iPhone connected to the Blue Yeti microphone. And as you can hear, it sounds a lot more better, it's louder and clearer, and overall, it's the best tool to use for high sound quality. So here's the microphone. As you can see, the light is on and it is working. So that is all there is to it. So if you guys are going to be recording certain kinds of videos of your ideas with an iPhone, here's your tool. Use a Blue Yeti with it. It'll sound way better. And again, if you people would like to purchase this adapter, I have left a link to it in the description below on Amazon. And if you do not have a Blue Yeti microphone and would wish to purchase one, they also are selling on Amazon, and I've left a link to that also in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below of your thoughts. And if you know of anybody who can use this information, please share this video with them. And for any new visitors out there that are interested in more content from me, please be sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. This is Ryjel Destiny signing off. Be sure to protect, unite, inspire, and expand your friends as I have, and it is time to live your dream and become one. Peace.